I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to program your Ford F250 key fob. First, gather all the key fobs you want to program, including any existing ones. Make sure your truck's battery is fully charged to avoid interruptions during the process. It's also a good idea to have your owner's manual handy, as it might contain specific details for your model. Let's get started with the first step. Now, let's get your truck into programming mode. Begin by closing all the doors firmly. Next, insert your ignition key and quickly turn it from the OFF position to the RUN position 8 times within 10 seconds. You'll know you've done it correctly when the door locks automatically cycle, meaning they will lock and then unlock. This confirms your vehicle is ready for the next step. With your truck in programming mode, it's time to program your key fobs. Take the first key fob and press any button on it within 10 seconds of the door lock cycling. The locks will cycle again, confirming that this key fob has been successfully programmed. If you have more key fobs, repeat this exact step for each one. Don't worry if it takes a couple of tries. To exit programming mode, simply turn the ignition key to the OFF position. The door locks will cycle one last time, signaling that the programming sequence is complete. Now, take a moment to test each of your newly programmed key fobs to ensure all buttons, like lock and unlock, are working perfectly. Also, be sure to check the description below for a link to Little Trees, Black Ice, and other great deals. Thanks for watching.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.